Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this credit right here. Okay, so if you want to get it, you're going to need to go into settings, the control center. You're going to want to go into general. You're going to want to go to accessibility. Okay, and then you see this assistive touch. I'm not gonna really get into how to say it, but it's this. You're gonna want to click on it, and then you're gonna want to turn this on, because it'll start off like this and you won't have it, but you're gonna want it to be on like that. And then you can do all sorts of things with it, like if you tap on it, you'll see all of this. You can go home, control center, Siri, device, custom, or notifications. So you can choose to do any of that. So I just think it's cool. And it automatically goes away after a little bit. Like I didn't even touch it at all, and it just closed. I don't know why it does that, but like you can do your own custom gestures. You can do custom actions. So, I just hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come back again for daily gameplay or how-tos videos.